Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change date of birth in your Access Bank account on the Access Bank app. Sometimes the date of birth on your Access Bank account may be incorrect or needs to be updated. Reasons you may want to correct your date of birth include 1. Your date of birth was entered incorrectly during bank account registration. 2. There is a mismatch with your BVN records. 3. You need your account to reflect your official documents such as birth certificate, passport or national ID. Then lastly, you're experiencing issues with your bank transactions because your date of birth does not match official records. So this video will provide a complete step-by-step guide to update or correct your date of birth using the Access Bank app. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe. Now let's get started. Now the first step I have to take now is to open the Access Bank app. So let me locate the Access More app. Let me tap on it now to open it up. You can see the Access Bank app is opening. So once it opens up, what I can simply do now is to quickly input my password so I can log in, so I can sign in. In case you've not started using the Access Bank app, I've already made a dedicated video that will show you how to register on the Access Bank app so you can start using it as quickly as possible. Just go over to the description, you will see the link right there. Tap on the link, they'll be able to watch how you can register and activate the app to get started. So guys, now let me go ahead now to sign in. I've inputted my password. Let me tap sign in. You can see guys, it's loading. Right now, the next step I have to take now is to go over to my profile. So I can go over to my Access profile by tapping on the profile icon right there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see change personal data. You can see change personal data right there. So let me tap on it. Then what I need to do now is to tap on where you can see type. You can see type right there. So let me tap on it now to select the type of personal data I want to change. Then what I need to do now is to tap on where you can see date of birth. You can see it right there. That's the third option. So let me tap on date of birth. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Right here guys, this is where you're going to be able to change or update your date of birth. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see date of birth. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So what I will do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So this is the calendar tool. So what I'm going to do now is to choose my birth month. Let me select my, then let me go over to the exact day. Then let me select the year. You can see this is where you can use to select your date of birth. Then let me go ahead now to tap on OK. You can see I've selected my date of birth. So let me tap on OK right there on the right hand side. Let me tap on it. Right there guys, can see now my date of birth is now appearing there. You can see it right there. I've imputed it. Now the next step I have to take now is to upload my affidavit. You can see where the arrow is pointing. It says affidavit, and as you can see there, it is written required. You can see it right there written in blue color. So it's a requirement that you upload your court affidavit for date of birth, for change of date of birth. So make sure you have the court affidavit before you go ahead with this process. And one of the way you can get your court affidavit is to go to any fiscal court around your area to get the court affidavit for change of date of birth. So once you've gotten it, what you have to do is to take a picture of it, or you can scan it to get the PDF file or the image. Just scan it or you snap it and make sure the document or the image is clear enough. Make sure it is very clear and there is no blur. So you can take the picture directly from here by tapping on that camera icon. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. You can see now it has directed me to my phone camera, so I can go ahead now to take the picture of the court affidavit for change of birth that I've gotten from the court. But I've already taken the picture using my phone camera, so let me go back. I want to upload the photo, so let me tap on the photo icon, the image icon right there. So let me tap on it. Now I can see it has directed me now to my phone gallery. So let me scroll through. You can see right here, this is my phone gallery. You can see images. So let me go ahead now to select what is it called, the image right away. You can see these are images in my phone gallery. Let me quickly select the affidavit for my court. Let me tap on it now to select it. You can see it right there. Right there guys, can see it has been uploaded. You can see it right there. So if I want to delete it, I can tap on delete icon in case I selected the wrong image or the wrong document. So I can delete it, but I selected the right one. So what I'm going to do right away now is to go ahead now to tap on continue. You can see where it is written continue. So once you tap on continue, it's going to take us to the next step. So let me tap on continue. Then right here is the next step. It says enter transaction pin. So what I have to do now is to enter my 4GD transaction pin. This is to confirm that I'm actually the owner of this account and to authenticate this process. So let me go ahead now to input it. Right there guys, can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see what's written there. It says success, customer update logged successfully. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to successfully change my date of birth or correct my date of birth on my Access Bank app, on the Access More app. So guys, can see it's very easy, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now I have to end this video. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.